Welcome to Lab 2. Today, we're controlling LED brightness using PWM, Pulse Width Modulation. Same components as Lab 1, Lonely Binary UNO R3, TinkerBlock Shield, and TK01XL LED module. Let's set up the hardware. Place the TinkerBlock Shield onto the UNO R3. Then connect the TK01 LED module to any 4-pin slot. Make sure it's connected to a PWM-capable pin like D3. Here's our code. We're using analogWrite instead of digitalWrite. DigitalWrite can only turn the LED on or off, but analogWrite controls brightness from 0 to 255. In our loop function, we have two for loops. The first increases brightness from 0 to 255, making the LED fade in. The second decreases from 255 to 0, making it fade out. We use a 10 millisecond delay for smooth transitions. Upload the code and watch. The LED should fade smoothly from off to bright and back, creating a beautiful breathing effect. If it's not working smoothly, check that the module is connected to a PWM pin. On Arduino Uno, pins 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11 support PWM. Now experiment. Change the delay value. Use 5 for faster fading, 50 for slower. You can create step-ins too. Just jump between different brightness levels like 0, 64, 128, 192, and 255. This is PWM in action. It's how LED dimmers work, how motor speed controllers function, and how we create analog-like effects using digital signals. You can connect multiple LED modules for synchronized patterns. Each can fade at different speeds or in different directions. That's Lab 2 complete. You've mastered PWM control. In the next lab, we'll explore input devices. Happy coding!